Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to you. Today I have chosen 4 pranayamas that we can practice together. These 4 in combination can help cleanse, balance, energize, calm, soothe, and heal our mind and body. We'll begin by doing Bhastrika Pranayama or bellow breathing. This is a cleansing and energizing practice. We'll follow this up with Vibhagya Shwasana or sectional breathing, which is going to help correct our breathing pattern as well as increase the ventilation of all the lobes of the lungs. Then we will be doing Anulom Vilom or Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. This practice is also called alternate nostril breathing. This is going to help balance the flow of energy or prana in our bodies. We'll end the session with doing Bhramari, or it's also called the bee breath, which is a calming and soothing practice. All of these 4 practices are easy and can be done by most of us. In case there is any precautions or contraindications, I will let you know while we're doing the practice. I'll also leave a detailed explanation of the benefits, the precautions to be taken, and who cannot do this practice in the description below. So let's first come to a comfortable seated position. Here, all these practices can be done either sitting on the chair, on the mat, or on the bed. If you're going to be sitting, if you're sitting on the bed or the mat, you can sit in Sukhasana, Vajrasana, Siddhasana, Padmasana. It's your choice, whatever is comfortable, and you're able to sit for about 15 minutes in that pose. Next, you're going to keep your back straight so that the lungs can expand freely during the practice. And all the 4 pranayamas, we're going to be breathing in through the nose and breathing out through the nose. The only difference would be how we use our hands or in what mudra we keep our hands. So let's begin by just normally breathing in and out, keeping the back of the palms resting on our lap, keeping the back straight, chin parallel. Our face should feel completely relaxed. The jaw should be relaxed. Just breathing in through our nose and breathing out through the nose. The next time we breathe in, we're going to see if we can move our belly forward, and as we breathe out, we're going to pull our navel back towards our spine. Once more. Now bring your right hand just below your navel, your left hand on your chest. And as we breathe out this time, we'll chant 1 round of Om and then feel the vibrations of Om below our palms. Breathe in. Om. Now slowly bring our hands behind our back. With your left, hold your right wrist, lean forward. Offering salutations to Mother Earth, breathing in, come up. Bring the hands in front of your eyes and now gently open your eyes with a few blinks. So for the first practice, Bhastrika Pranayama, we're going to sit tall, back is straight, chin parallel. You can keep your eyes open or closed. Bring your palms to next to your shoulder. Don't bring it in front of your shoulder. Bring it here. Automatically, you're still keeping your chest open and not collapsing the chest here. We're going to be breathing in, raising our hands up. As we breathe out through our nose, we're going to bring it down. Here, in case you have any pain in your shoulders, then you can choose to keep your palm on your resting on your thigh, and bring your hands to Chin Mudra, wherein your index touches the thumb. Keeping the eye closed, we are going to again breathing in through our nose, breathing out through the nose. So our chest moves forward and back. So breathing in, our chest moves forward, breathing out, the chest collapses. So this is how you would do, and you can do up to 10, 15 strokes in one round. So now we'll practice keeping our, I find this more effective, placing our palms here. So breathe in, reach up. We're going to do 10 rounds, and this time I'm going to do it slowly for the first round. Okay, 10 strokes here. Drop your hands. Just breathe in through the nose, breathe out through the nose. You may feel a little warm, you may break out into a sweat. Just notice all of this. Here I'm like, when I take my hand up, I hold for a second and I bring it down. So in my mind, I count 1001 and then bring it down. So this way, this is a slow one. And especially in case you have high blood pressure, you can begin with doing the slow one. The next 10 rounds are going to be the medium pace ones. So here, bring your hands back here again. Back is straight. Relax and just notice how you feel. In case you feel dizzy or uncomfortable, you can always come down to lying in Shavasana. Generally, what happens is if you're not breathing in completely and exhaling out completely, you could feel a little dizzy. Now, just one last round of Bhastrika. Here, chin forward, palms stay here. 10 more rounds. And relax. This practice is very good to increase our metabolism, to energize us if we are constantly feeling tired. It's good for to activate the liver. The list is endless. I feel it's very important that we practice the pranayamas to over a period of time and actually see the benefits. Now we will be practicing Vibhagya Shvasana or sectional breathing. There are 4 parts to it. First, we're going to be doing abdominal, and then the thoracic breathing, and then the clavicular breathing, and then we'll do the full yogic breathing. So let's begin with the abdominal breathing, or it's called Adhama. So place your right hand onto your belly. In the left hand, you can again adopt Chin Mudra, wherein your thumb and index finger touch each other. Place the palm onto your belly. As you breathe in, push your belly into your palm. And as you breathe out, pull your navel back towards your spine. This time, you can bring both your hands to Chin Mudra. Breathing in, push your navel forward. And as you breathe back, pull your navel back towards your spine. And pull it back. The next one is thoracic breathing or Madhyama. Here, just close the other 3 fingers into the palm. So we are in Chinmay Mudra. Place your palm onto your chest here. This time when we breathe in, we're trying to push our chest forward and out, rolling the shoulders behind. So breathing in. And as we breathe out, we're just collapsing the chest. And breath in. And breathe out. Now you can also choose to bring your right hand in Chin Mudra. One more breath. Now we're going to be doing clavicular breathing or Adi Shwasa. Bring our right hand and place it just above this bone, the clavicle. Don't press deeply, just rest it here. We're going to use both our hands, placing it here. So as we breathe in, we're going to be pushing our shoulders up. And as we breathe out, we're going to bring it down. Let's do this again, placing our hands here, breathing in. And breathe out through the nose. We can also practice this by having Adi Mudra, wherein you place your thumb into your palms and close the 4 fingers to make a fist on both hands. And your fingers are in the direction of your thigh. Rest it here, close your eyes, breathe in. This feels a little exaggerated in your shoulders, but that's fine. In the beginning, it's totally fine to do it this way. Breathing in. And breathe out. Now we are going to take these fists and place it on either side of the navel with your fingers pointing up towards the ceiling. Back is straight. We're going to practice 5 rounds of full yogic breathing. This is again really good to calm our mind, increase focus, increase concentration. This also helps us correct our breathing pattern. So keep the back straight, chin parallel. Now as we breathe in, belly comes forward, chest moves forward, shoulders roll back and up. And as we breathe out, navel moves back towards the spine, the chest collapses, the shoulders round. Your lower back may round slightly. Breathing in. We're going to do 4 more of this. We are kind of lengthening our body as we breathe in. And as we breathe out, we are kind of, grounding our hips, like pressing our hips into the mat, rounding our shoulders, collapsing the chest. Let's do 2 more. Release your hands. You can slowly open your eyes. Now we will practice Anuloma Viloma or Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. It's also called the alternate nostril breathing. So here, we're going to be breathing in through the left breathing out through the right, and again breathing in through the right and breathing out through the left. This is considered as one round, and this we're going to practice 9 rounds of this. For this, we're going to keep Chin Mudra in our left hand and Nasika Mudra in the right hand. Here, the thumb is open. We're going to close the index and the middle finger. Keep the ring finger and little finger open. Now slowly bring your thumb to cover the right nostril. Breathe out completely through the left. Now we'll begin the practice by breathing in through the left. Close the left nostril. Breathe out through the right. Breathe in through the right. Close the right nostril. Breathe out through the left. Breathing in through the left. Breathing out through the right. Breathing in through the right. Breathing out through the left. Breathe in through the left. Breathe out through your right. Breathe in through the right. Close the right nostril and out through the left. Breath in. Close the left nostril. Breath out through the right. Breath in through the right. Close and breathe out. We are going to do 5 more rounds of this. Breathing in. And breathing out. Again, breath in. Now breathe out completely through your left. Notice if you are, stooping forward, rounding your back, just straighten it again. Just observe. Once again, breath in. Breath out through the right. Breathe in through the right. And breathe out through your left. Breathe out through your right. Breathe in through the right. And out through your left. Now 2 more rounds. Breathe in. And out. Breath in. And exhale. Breathe in through the left and out again. to the right. This is your last round. And exhale completely through your left. Drop your hands. Just notice how you're feeling. Breathing in through both the nostrils this time. And breathing out. Now we're going to be practicing Bhramari Pranayama. Here we're going to be producing a low pitched sound that resembles the sound produced by a humming bee. We're going to place the tongue, the tip of the tongue, to the roof of our mouth. Our lips are going to stay sealed, and we're going to make this, when I say run, the ner part, you're going to extend on the ner part. Keep the back straight, close your eyes, press the tongue to the roof of your mouth. That's the sound. And with our hands, we're going to place our thumbs on the outside of the ear, on this little cartilage, the tragus. Use it as a flap to cover the ears. And with our fingers, we're going to be covering our eyes. So don't press the eyeballs. What I like to do is place my fingers, on the inside of the eyes, and with the thumb cover the ears. We're going to be breathing in through the nose, placing the tongue towards the roof of the mouth at the hard palate there, and making this low humming sound. So we're going to do 5 rounds of this together. Back straight. Cover your ears, cover your eyes. Your lips stay closed, tongue to the roof of your mouth. Now breathe in through both your nostrils. And you're breathing out also through both your nostrils. For the first round. Breathe in. Deep breath in again, tongue to the roof of your mouth. Two more rounds. Breath in. Slowly release your hands. Just notice all the sensations that you're feeling in your body. This pranayama is very good if you're suffering from insomnia, it's also an anti-aging. It's good to increase the blood circulation, increase the oxygen carrying capacity in the blood. It's also great to calm our minds, and it also soothes and calms the nervous system. Now close your eyes again. Just breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your nose. Whenever you feel ready, you can open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me in today's practice. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, you can write to me in the comments below. Appreciate your support. For more content like this, please like and subscribe. Namaste.